Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Fine? Okay. So previously we were studying about functions, about basic points of functions and that is brief this introduction about functions. Today we will go inshallah in depth about functions and we will discuss inshallah more examples about function and we will discuss different ways to describe a function or represent a function. First of all, we are going to take our little examples about function. You and a friend, sometime you see that if you are an employee, okay, and in 2009 your salary is 25,000, okay, and in 2012 your salary becomes 30,000, or we can say 40,000, okay. In 2018 your salary becomes what to say 1 lakh, 1 lakh, or we can say 100,000, okay. So it's a function because here is a difference between a function is this time is going on, your salary is also increasing and there is a fact on your salary. So your salary depends on time. As time passes, your salary also changes, and we can say your salary is dependent and but time is independent because time doesn't depend for anyone. Time is always going on, but time doesn't depend for anyone. Okay, so time is independent. Okay, so this is the basic examples we can say. You are already aware about this. Now we are going to hear about how to represent function. There are 4 main representations of functions, 4 ways to represent a function. Okay, so first of all, verbally we can represent any function. If I say that a person can make 5 pencils from 1 meter wood. Okay, you get it? Sure? Oh, good. And same the person makes what to say 40 pencils from we can say, or we are just going to have we can say 20, okay, for 20 pencils out of 4 meter. You can take a stick, okay, you got it? Okay. So here is a function and I am going to represent it verbally. This is the representation of any functions verbally because I am describing in words. So it is known as a verbal representation of any function. Now carry on next part. That is, we can say, you can also say numerically or by the means of table. Like this. These even want to make a table. Okay. This is table and there will be data numerically, not rather than verbally. They will say that it's input. Input means what? From our previous session we have discussed about input and output. So input is what that we give and we take output. Okay. So now our input is what? That is stick. It means 1 meter. That is stick. Okay, and output is what? That is pencil. If I am going to give 1 meter stick, there are 5 pencils. Okay, if I am going to give a 4-meter stick, I get 20 pencils. Okay, it is our second representation that is known as numerically. Numerically. Okay, or we can say by means of table. Got it? Sure? Okay, okay. So now carry on third type, the third one, which is known as uh, we can say by means of formula. By means of formula. Number 3 is by formula. From the previous type, we can say that there was tau, like 1 and 5, 4 and 20. That is our stick and this is our pencil. Now you can say, this shows that if I am going to make, first of all, we are going to discuss this type. If I am going to make, if there are, this is our stick and this is our pencil. Okay. Here we will also discuss about the, or first we can discuss about graph. First of all, graph. Okay. There, if there is one pen, one stick, I get 5 pencils. Okay. If I take 4 sticks, 4-meter sticks, I'll get 20 pencils. So vice versa, this will be our this type of function that is known as graphical representations. If I am going to check from the graph, we know that this is like a straight line. It will be going like a straight line. If I am taking 5 meter stick, there will be 25 sticks. 25 sticks. So it will be like a straight line. So what we know that for a slope, for a straight line, we must have, this is known as what? Graphical method. That is third method. Now if I am going to formulate it and I want to represent it by the means of formula, then we can say that this is a straight line, and for a straight line, f of x is equals to mx, or we can say that by the means of, if this is a straight line, so y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. This is slope point form. We have given point. First point is what? That is 1 comma 5, and second one is 4 comma 20. So we can find out the slope of this function, this straight line. The slope will be, we know that slope is equals to m y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Here x1 and x2, y1 and y2. Okay, our slope will be, y2 is what? That is 20 minus 5 upon 4 minus, okay, 4 minus 1. Now it will be equals to 20 minus 5 will be equals to 15. 4 minus 1 will be equals to 3, and again it will be equals to 3 1s are 3, 5 3s are 15. So our slope is m will be equals to 5. Okay, now carry on. This is our slope, and we have point is, well, first point is 1 comma 5, and we have given m is equals to 5. Now by the means of slope point find, that is y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. So y minus y1 is equals to 5, and m we have given, that is 5. X minus x1 is 1. Okay, so now y minus 5 will be equals to 5 times of x minus 5. Okay, now y will be equals to minus 5. We will add plus 5 on both sides, which will be equals to minus 5 plus 5 is equals to 5x minus 5 plus 5. So plus 5 minus 5 minus 5 plus 5. Now y will be equals to 5 times of x. Okay, this is our functions by the means of formula that is known as the fourth type, and which is known as by formula. Okay friends, this was our representations by the means of formula. You can say this is representations by formula. We have four manners of representing any function. That is the last one. We have discussed about the first type, that was the verbally, the second one numerically, and the third one graphically, and the fourth one is by formula. In our next session inshallah, we will be discussing in more depth, about the different basic concept of the functions. Okay, so